World Rivers Day. Almost every country around the world will have at least one river flowing through it. There are probably a number of other important waterways as well. To ensure that these important bodies of water are celebrated and appreciated as they should be. Rivers Day aims to remind people about just how important all of the waterways around the globe are to us. The first River Day was celebrated in 2005, and since then it has been gaining in popularity with many events being organized around the world. It is a day that highlights the importance of rivers, aiming to highlight awareness and encourage people to preserve our important source of water. There are a number of different things that we can all do in order to protect our rivers. This includes using earth-friendly body products and biodegradable cleaning products. After all, these chemicals all get washed down the drain, which means they end up going back into our rivers. Making a change like this can make a massive difference. Other tips including to turn off the tap while you are brushing your teeth, timing your showers, and keep a full load when you are using dishwasher on your washing machine. Small changes like this can go a very long way. History. World Rivers Day began with the Water for Life Decade, which was launched by the United Nations in 2005. This was a good step that was taken by Mark Angel, who was already an international river advocate. Rivers are the arteries of our planet. They are lifelines in the truest sense.